Biological sciences is a very broad-based discipline. Obviously, it's about living things and the study of living things, but it ranges from the molecular all the way through to whole organisms to entire ecosystems. You have to be curious about living things. Now, that might be curiosity about the sequence of a gene, it might be curiosity about a microbe, or it might be a curiosity about a whole ecosystem. But you have to have that curiosity. That's what drives all science ultimately.
With the integrated Year 1 in Biological Sciences and Biomedicine, you can progress to a BSc Honours or even a Master's in Biological Sciences. You can get a BSc Honours in Biomedical Science, a BSc Honours in Molecular Biology and Genetics, or a BSc Honours in Microbiology.
The Biomedicine programme at UEA is highly suited to students who have an interest into the science that underlies the initiation of human disease and the progression of human disease, and how this can be exploited in order to develop new and novel therapies.
We teach students not only the findings that you get from biology, but about how to do that sort of creative process, creating the hypotheses and designing experiments, how to do the critical thinking associated with analysing data. Part of the attraction of UEA is it sits within the Norwich Research Park, has the John Innes Centre for Plant and Microbial Research, world-leading centre in those disciplines. There's the Quadram Institute, which is involved in genomics and post-genomics research, and there's the Norfolk and Norwich University Hospital. No one else in the world has that concentration of plant and microbial science that we have.
Biomedicine graduates find internships to be of huge value. They experience working alongside researchers or professionals, and this has translated to a marked improvement in their final year performance. Biomedicine graduates follow a diverse number of career paths, including employment in NHS clinical laboratories, pharmaceutical industry in sales, marketing and research, and also teaching and further study, including PhDs. They have a number of transferable skills, including teamworking, communication, organisation, critical analysis, and numeracy. And these transferable skills complement the specific skills that they have learned through taking modules in genetics, microbiology, molecular biology, biochemistry, cell biology, and physiology. Depending upon your chosen career path, you may require further qualifications. To follow the biomedical scientist profession, you will need to register with the HCPC and complete an IBMS training portfolio. And should you want to follow a career in biomedical research, you'll be better placed to gain a PhD.
Biological sciences impact society in a number of different ways. If you just look at the destinations of our graduates, many of them go into the healthcare professions, but some go off and work for conservation organisations. A large number actually go on and do more research.
The biomedicine degree takes students on a journey from the research bench to the patient bedside, leading biomedicine graduates onto a number of exciting career paths.
There are careers around the globe involving biological sciences. There are healthcare careers in every country. If you love biology, then I would highly recommend it as a career.